Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Made with Love by Glama. Today I'm just going to be opening up some GlamMail. A friend of mine from Norway, Lily, she's in my Facebook group page and she is subscribed to my channel. She let me know a few days ago that she was going to be sending me another package. I'm not sure if you saw the other GlamMail video that I put up about maybe 2 or 3 months ago. Maybe it hasn't been that long, I don't know, but she sent me a package then and such lovely gifts, and I still have to try the cocoa. It's just that it's so hot here in Texas. It's 103 today. Eek! Yesterday it was 101. Man, so yeah, I'm not really feeling like cocoa right now, or even coffee for that matter. It's already like in the 80s and 90s when I wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Hey, you guys be nice. Hey, kitty cat, you need to be nice to Jules, okay? You quit messing with her. I know she's old and vulnerable, but you need to leave her alone, okay? Hey, hashtag, say hi to everyone. I think everyone remembers you from when you were just a itty bitty little kitty. But now you're a big old monster. God, she is such a menace. She gets into everything and she loves to mess with Jules. I don't know why she likes to mess with Jules. So anyway, we just went to the vet to take where's Paris? We just went and took Paris to the vet because usually with Yorkies you have to trim their hair, cut their hair like every 2 weeks because it grows so fast, because it's not fur, it's hair. And so I just been noticing some weirdness for like 2 months. I'm like, why haven't I had to cut her hair? And all of a sudden it started getting really dull looking, and she's been scratching and biting a lot, and she doesn't have fleas. We've already gotten rid of the flea problem early this summer, but yeah, so we took her to the vet because the poor girl, she can't sleep at night very good because she's so busy. Hey, what did you, oh baby, did mama just poke you in the eye? I sorry. I just had a hair pretty on you. What'd you do with it? I had you all pretty for the camera and you took it off. Anyway, we took her to the vet because we were worried that something was wrong with her, because we've had a lot of things go wrong here lately with pets and stuff, and we were just worried that something was seriously wrong with her, but there's not. Turns out it's allergies. So they gave her a steroid shot to stop the itching immediately, which immediately I guess is going to be like by tomorrow morning. They said the itching will stop, so yay. She's been itching herself and biting at herself, and she's got a couple little small sores on her back where she's been itching and biting. So yay, we can all get some sleep soon. So yeah, I'm just so glad that that's getting taken care of. And they also recommended fish oil caplets. So you just poke the little caplet, and they said squirt it in her food or something, or maybe she'll just lick it right off of whatever you put it on. And they said, because sometimes some dogs really like it. So we're going to do that. So anyway, went to the vet, and then after the vet, my daughter and I went to the post office, and she went in and got the mail this time. And so she brought me the mail, and so I got a new Vogue magazine, yay, and a bunch of other stuff. And she said, you got fan mail, Mom. And I said, no, it's not fan mail, it's Glam Fam mail. It's my Glam Fam. So it's really cute. She put Glam It Up right there. If you guys ever want to send me a letter or a card or a postcard or something from where you're from, I would love to start collecting postcards from all the different states and countries that y'all are from. I would love to do that, and then maybe make this big old wall. Once I get back into a house, I can have it in my craft room and have a wall of all the postcards where all of y'all are from. That would be so fun. So if you ever want to do that, just send it to P.O. Box 1232, Castroville, Texas 78009, and the address should be on my about page on this channel. So anyway, I'm going to try to open it with a a nail file. So, okay, I can't see now that I just looked into the light, into the bright light. I should do this off camera. You know what? I've got a pair of scissors right here somewhere. Aww. She even put little ribbon on it and stuff. You're so cute, Lily. She wrote a little note on it. She said, sorry for the box. Had to be creative with what I had. I promise it gets better. And then she puts a little winky face. It's so cute. She's adorable. She's such a sweetheart. Okay. So let me just slip this off. I hope I can just slip it off. I don't really want to tear it off. I save everything, so I'm probably going to save this little ribbon even. I'm such a sentimental person. I keep everything. Oh, it looks like she made the box completely. Oh my God, she did. So to me, that is freaking awesome. Look at that. She actually made a box out of just cardboard and stuff and decorated it and stuff. That is so awesome. Okay, I don't know if I should read this out loud or not. Aw, I think I will. I think she'll be okay with me reading it. My eyes had to adjust to the light. It says, with a few packages wrapped in pink and a small verse in ink, I hope in my heart and pray that these small tokens may brighten your day. Love from Lily. Aww. Thank you, Lily. It did brighten my day. You're such a sweetheart. I know I keep saying that, but you are. Oh, it's got lots of, so this is how she had it. Whoops. She had some bubble wrap on top, like that. Then you take the bubble wrap off, and she's got a few little gifts in there. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me start with these little bubble wrap ones. I hope I hope it's getting everything. Here, kitty cat, you want to play with, I know you're going to play with it anyway, so I might as well just give it to you. Ooh, it's nail polish, because she knows that I love nail polish for my tutorials and stuff. Pretty. Wow, I've never heard of this brand. I like that color. It's a nice neutral color. Pretty. Thank you. I wondered if it was going to have something to do with my glam channel, beauty, because on the package she put Glam It Up, and that's the name of my channel, Glam It Up with Glama. Let's see what color this is. Man, the light is so bright. I hope I can get it. Oh, it looks like a coral color, I think. Looks like a corally color if I'm looking at it right. The light is so bright I can't really tell. But it looks like it's a nice, pretty orangish, coral, pinkish color. Pretty! Thank you! Ooh, a nice white. I love white. And I go through so much white because I like French tip manicure, so thank you so much. That is so nice. Thank you. 3 nail polishes. Wow. Awesome. Look, hashtag came near me because you're messing with her, Paris. Leave her alone. You be nice. Okay, I'm going to throw all this on the floor and then I'll pick it up in a minute. Okay, now some brown wrapped gifts. Let me open some of these up. So that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 little packages in here. Wow. This really is making me smile. I've had such a bad few weeks here. Things just keep happening to me and I'm still not quite ready to talk about it. Oh, these are so cute. These are shower gloves. Here you go. You want to play with that, kitty cat? Wow, yeah. Oh, it's got little hearts on it. It goes with the little dish towels that she gave me, or washcloths that she gave me. How adorable. Wow. Ooh. So what does it say? It says shower glove with love. Aw, that's cute. Designed for you. Wait, designed for you to you. I designed a pattern to everyone who touches my heart. Thank you for being you. Aww. So it was designed for me. Aww. Because with love, so it's got hearts on it. I can't hold it too close or else the light is so bright it washes it out. But it's got 3 hearts on here and it's pink and it looks like a corally color. And it's got 3 hearts on this side too. I can wash myself with love, with Lily love. Thank you, Lily. That is so special. Wow, I love it. I wouldn't even know how to make this. And I think, yes, this is knit. This is definitely knit. Wow, even if you turn it inside out, her work is superb. She has a knitting channel called Leo's Corner on YouTube, so y'all need to go check it out. There's a little plug for you, Lily. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll do another brown package, and then I'll do another pink package. So anyway, yeah, I've been having a hard time, so this is really making my day. Ooh, nails. Wow. Awesome. It's an awesome, they're airbrush nails, so they're, what do you call it? Like the stick-on nails. How cool. So you'll be seeing some of these on me in some of my tutorials, whether it's my glam beauty tutorials or my crochet tutorials. You'll be seeing some nails. Nice design, so cute. Yeah, there you go. Isn't that pretty? Awesome. Now it needs to focus on me. Focus, focus, focus. Come on, focus. You can do it. There you go. Awesome. Thank you, Lily. These are bringing me so much joy. You made me smile. Just the fact that you care so much to send me a package all the way from Norway is just so special. And I just feel like, you know, I feel like the love that I'm giving to you guys, you're taking it and you're showing me love too. And this feels like love. I mean, I know that things shouldn't feel like love. I feel the love from you and from a lot of you. And so opening up these packages from you, Lily, is just, you know, I don't know, it might sound weird, but to know that these were in my friend's hands and now they're in my hands all the way from Norway to here is just precious. It's awesome. It's like being able to hold you and hug you and receive your love physically. A nice warm hug around me or something. So anyway, thank you so much for these gifts. They're coming at a really good time. More nail stuff, yay! Let me see. Oh my word, these are gorgeous. I love these. Aren't these gorgeous? Aren't those beautiful? They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. Woohoo, thank you. Aw, that is so, so sweet. Okay, so here's a pink package. You are tearing it up down there, aren't you, Paris? She is having a blast with the wrapping paper. I thought it was going to be the cat that loved it all. Ooh, a buffing block. Yes, I always need buffing blocks. Especially, it says it removes ridges. That's exactly what I use them for these days. Now that I'm 50, next month I'll be 51. Yep. I'm getting ridges on my nails, and so I'm always having to buff out the ridges so that my nail polish looks smoother. My last crochet ring tutorial, my nails were looking pretty bad. Even though I polished them, they were looking pretty bad because I didn't buff them beforehand. So thank you. I needed that. Okay, I'll open the last pink one, and then there's a couple brown packages. What is this? Luxury body butter. Ooh, what scent is it? It's pink though. Let me see. I gotta open it to see because I know I can't read it. Sweet Flower Garden, it says. Ooh, nice. Oh my word, it smells good. Let me see. Oh, it's so soft and I smell so good now. I didn't put perfume on today, so. Ooh, this is so pretty. Thank you. Wow. Well, if you have some of this, we're both going to smell the same, Lily. The Flower Garden. Thanks. That is so, so awesome. Okay, let me see. I got two more items in here. I don't want to lose anything, though. Okay, here's one more brown package. I think I need to rub that in more. Ooh, more nails! Yay! Pretty. Ooh, these look like pretty wedding type looking nails. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, these are probably nails too. Wow, I'm gonna be styling. Ooh, these are adorable. I love them. So these must be the nails that you use, right, Lily? Because some of your knitting tutorials that I watch, you have such pretty nails. I'm like, how does she do that? And I've never really thought about putting on the, what do you call these? I guess the stick-ons. I never thought of it, but yeah, beats waiting for my nails to dry, because every single crochet tutorial, I polish my nails, but there's always a ding or there's some imperfection because you have to wait for them to dry. So these are perfect. And I just love this. This is just adorable. I love everything. Thank you so much, Lily. You are just the sweetest person ever. And this is definitely going to be a note of many notes that you've sent me from the other package that is going to go on my Glam Fam wall when I get a craft room again, which will be soon. I'm hoping within a year we can be out of this RV and into a regular home, and I'll definitely have a craft room in there. So yeah, I want to put any notes that I get, or any letters that I get, or any pictures from y'all that y'all want to send me of yourselves or of your crafts or anything. Yeah, I want to just have a Glam Fam wall. All right, well, I know this is already really long, so I'm going to just once again say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, Lily. You're such a sweet person, and you're a very funny person too. So you and we get along really well. Our humor is very similar. When you PM'd me and let me know you were sending me a package, I said, oh, thank you so much, you're so sweet, but I don't want you to do that because it must cost a fortune from Norway. And you said, no, don't worry about it, I want to, and I want to brighten your days. I know you've been going through something, and so I just wanted you to know that yes, this really did help. I just feel like I got some Lily love, some Lily hugs, and every time I wear these nails and every time I look at this glove, I'm gonna think of you and the beautiful hearts you put on there. Yes, this is definitely designed for Glama with love hearts. So thank you so much. The body butter, the nail polishes. I'll let you know when I wear these colors. I'll let the camera know. I'll let all the viewers know this is from my friend Lily, so you'll know when I wear it. All right, thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Don't forget how much I love you, and don't forget to love yourselves. And don't forget to love everyone else you come in contact with. It really does make a difference to just make eye contact with someone instead of just walking past people so quickly. Make eye contact, smile. You never know the kind of impact you might have on their life just by giving them a warm smile. All right, guys, I love you. Mwah.